The ScreenBeam MoCA 2.5 adapter kit utilizes your home's coaxial cables to offer impressive internet speeds reaching up to 1 gigabit per second, potentially surpassing traditional Wi-Fi connections. With the ability to achieve speeds up to 2.5 gigabits per second using multiple adapters and a native MoCA router, the kit is well suited for activities such as 4K streaming and online gaming. The MoCA 2.5 technology ensures more reliable and faster connections than Wi-Fi, supporting up to 16 nodes on a single network, making it ideal for connecting remote Wi-Fi access points. This adapter kit is compatible with most devices and routers, featuring an Ethernet port, although it is important to verify compatibility with your internet service provider to avoid potential connectivity issues. The ScreenBeam MoCA 2.5 adapter kit is not compatible with certain satellite TV services or specific coax networks, so it is important to check compatibility prior to purchasing. Included in the kit are 2 adapters, power adapters, Ethernet cables, coax cables, and splitters, providing everything necessary to enhance your home's wired network setup.